Happy birthday, Mommy.
Okay, let's go.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Oh, I can't wait to open it. Are you going to help me? What should we open first?
This is for you.
Ryan, do we want Mommy to open your card first?
Let's open the card first.
What's in it?
This is from you? Oh, let's open it.
He picked this out all by himself, right, Ryan?
No.
Oh, all right. Another birthday. You just relax. We'll do all the kicking and screaming for you.
Oh.
Thanks, Ryan.
Say happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Give Mommy a kiss, Ryan. Give Mommy a big kiss. Say I love you.